नहीं आया सर। हाँ।
एक फोटो सर टनल के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है ना
city, just like Davos, convention centers, then restaurants, west side areas, then we can make logistic parks for the people. The basic spirit behind all the development is to create employment potential in the area. And to create employment potential, we will have capital investment. And with that, we are going to create more employment potential only for the youth of Ladakh, Leh, and Kashmir. We will give highest priority for employment to the people from the origin, and it is going to eradicate the poverty, creating handloom, handicrafts, industry, trade, business, pre-cooling plant, cold storage, and sustainability, and which is going to be a big socio-economic transformation. And that is exactly the dream of our Prime Minister and the government to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are spending more than 1 lakh crores only for tunnels in the area of Ladakh, Leh, and Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir. And here, lot of projects are in DPR. Presently, project costing more than 1 lakh crore already going on. And the next phase, we will make again the project of 1 lakh crore for this area. Now there are two problems. Some of the area BRO is working, and some of the area our NHIDCL is the working. So it is up to the state government, the LG, who can decide. But one thing, I am always of the opinion the performance is very important. Financial audit is important, but more important is the performance audit. So the people who are working fast, transparent, time bound, result oriented, and corruption free, we will give them more priority for more work. So if the NHIDCL is doing excellent job, 100% we will give more work to NHIDCL. At the same time, if the BRO is doing good job, 100% we will encourage them. But we need speed, quality, use of best technology. We don't want to compromise with the quality, but we want to reduce the cost. So we are very transparent. We are saving thousands crores of rupees on this tunnel. So this is to be a great achievement for the government.
सर आफ्टर एप्लीकेशन वी सॉ लॉट्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंटल एक्टिविटीज़ इन लद्दाख रीजन सर स्पेशली अगर हम एग्जांपल दें जोजिला टनल और संस्कार नेशनल हाईवे के हवाले से अगर हम बात करें साथ ही साथ एनपीटी रोड का भी आपकी
Sir, you give only 2 years to me, my ministry. Our Honorable State Minister is here, NHIDCL is here. Within 2 years, we will change the scenario of Kashmir and Ladakh and Leh. Whatever you have from last 50 years, we will give more infrastructure facilities within 2 years. Only we need your cooperation.
How the government is working on it?
Actually, Jhojila tunnel is supposed to be the longest tunnel in the Asia. And the most important thing is, this is the first time the government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji, we have taken this decision to start this work. This is very difficult task. Lot of problems are there. But I always remember one famous sentence, the man, suppose whatever the challenges are there, it is with a strong political will, we can win over all the problems. That's the way in which our officers from NHIDCL, our security personalities from the different paramilitary and paramilitary forces, then at the same time the contractor, engineers, the workers, all are working in a very, very difficult time and difficult challenges. And our efforts are that to make it 24 by 7 this work. And as far as the giving confidence from the contractor, I am confident that the way in which they are working, we will complete it before time period. We are trying it to complete it up to 23 end, but there is a difficult task. I am not going to commit for that. But the way in which what we are, the environment here, we are working, I am confident that 100%.